You'll have a lot of files that you put into Notability for your classes, so organization is really important so you can find them easily. The best thing to do is to create what Notability calls subjects and dividers. It's a little confusing, so pay close attention. The first thing you'll want to do is create a divider for each of the classes that you're taking. So in order to do that, you'll use the plus sign that's on the upper left-hand corner of your screen. You'll tap on plus and you'll create a divider. You'll see I already have one there for social studies. So I'll do one for language arts. And click done. I'll add another one, plus sign, create another divider. Let's say math. Done. Hit another plus sign, create a divider. What are we missing? Science. And then you'll want to create one for your other classes that you take as well. So whatever those are called, maybe I'm taking BIT. And done. Plus sign one more time. And I'm going to say that I also take choir. All right. So done. So now I have all my subjects set up. But you'll see there are little arrows beside those. So inside my dividers, I can put different, what Notability calls their subjects. So let's say in social studies, we have a unit 1. So I'm going to say plus sign. Now I want to create a subject, and I'll say unit 1. And just so I don't get confused, I might even say social studies on there too. I'll say done again. And now I want to edit and pull that into social studies. So I tap and I hold until I get it underneath social studies and I let it go. So you'll see, oh, I already created a unit 1 social studies and there's a unit 2 in there as well. So now I have both of those in my social studies divider. So if I collapse that, let's say done. And let's say in language arts, we are working on a narrative unit. And I'll put LA there too, just so I don't get confused. I'll say done. I'll edit. I'll tap and hold. I'm going to move it underneath language arts. So from there, the cool thing is I can move now my notes into those units. So let's see, let me say done up here. And let's say I want to take this PDF right here and I want to move it into my social studies. So I'm going to tap and hold and I'm going to move it into the subject that I want it to go in. It's that easy. Now I can click there and I see it there. So I can see my notes either underneath my different subjects and dividers here, or if I'm still having a hard time locating something, I could click on all notes as well.